Hey guys, I hope you are fine. Today I am talking you about the new and fresh earning website. First of all, I am telling you about how you create an account on this website. You need enter your email address, and second below you enter your login password and confirm password and transaction password. Transaction password is that you do want to withdraw your money. You need to enter a password. You need you this is very important for you. I filled all below, so now I am clicking on the registered. Now you can see my account has been registered, so you can see this website. This is the home page. First of all, we can see the plans. Now we are get free plans VIP 0. uh, how can we earn money from 0? So I am click on the fast tax. If you do want to earn money from this website, you need a deposit some amount in this website. So we are see the what is the plan of the site. uh, VIP 1 plan is a 76 USD. We can earn $2.7 per day. Now I am click on the mine button. Now we can see the bonus from we get this website. You can see here we are get 66 USDT from this website as a welcome bonus. So I am clicking the if you want to see withdraw proof of this ad, please open the description and click on the link and get free withdraw videos. Now I am click on the team button. First of all, I am talking about tell you about how can you deposit money from this website. Click on the recharge button. Then you can see the recharge options. For example, USDT, TRON, etc. You can see here we can got the address of USDT. You need to deposit $10 from your address from your account to this website. This is the 100% real and amazing site. You can earn more money from this site. So don't waste your time and please invest money in the site to earn 2.7 USDT daily free. You are now I am clicking the VIP plans. I am tell you can earn $81 monthly from this website free. If you deposit only $10, you can earn monthly $81. So if you like my video, please give me like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.